Spend the day with me, Japan edition. Started off the day with a chicken cutlet sandwich. On my way to Ginza, I went to the biggest Uniqlo in the world, copped some socks. It's so cool how they have these bags for wet umbrellas. So innovative. I also hit up the biggest Muji store in the world for some snacks. Lastly, I had to pick up some loafers from Haruta. I look hella goofy in those shorts. I headed back to the hotel early to get some work done. I picked up some food from 7-Eleven before heading up. It was nice having some time to just relax. Sometimes I forget what vacation is really about. It doesn't always have to be eventful. The peace and quiet was the highlight of my day. To end off the night, I had an all-you-can-eat yakiniku. This was the most I ate the entire trip. I know I'm gonna regret it in the morning. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.